Hello, welcome to another course by Agrodemy Academy. In this course, we're going to be talking about peanut butter production and marketing, and also how to make money from peanut butter. This is module one of the course, and we're going to be introducing the course. In this course, we're going to learn how to grow, how to process, and also how to market peanut butter. Key areas we're going to be covering with this course are peanut sourcing, production techniques for peanut butter, the business setup of peanut butter, and marketing strategies for your product, which is peanut butter. Now, what is peanut butter? Peanut butter is a creamy or chunky spread made by grinding roasted peanuts into a paste. It's as simple as that. Basically, grinding roasted peanuts into a paste and then you have the product. So it's a very easy product to make, very simple, very straightforward. And it has some nutritional benefits. I mean, that's what we're talking about it today. It is rich in healthy fats. It is high in protein, and then it also has some vitamins in it. Now, why are we talking about peanut butter in addition to its nutritional benefit? It's because there's actually a growing demand for nut butters. Now, this demand for nut butters have increased globally, and peanut butter being a very affordable nut butter in comparison with other nut butters like almond butter, it can make has made the demand increase globally. It's also very versatile. It can be used on bread, it can be used in smoothies, it can be used as an ingredient in various recipes, and it's also something that, from statistics, we can say that in 2021 the market size was evaluated at 5.7 billion dollars, and it is expected to have a compound annual growth rate of 6.9% from 2022 to 2028. So you see that this is something that it has a high demand on it. It also has a good um growth rate. So this makes it a very good product, to invest your time, your energy, and your money to putting on the shelves for consumers. Now let's quickly touch on the overview of peanut production before we call this module a day. Peanuts are grown in warm climates and usually harvested in the fall. The production process of peanut butter is, like I said earlier, very simple. It's usually just sourcing the peanuts, roasting it, and processing it into butter. We have come to the end of this module and we have an activity for you. I want you to name three key benefits of peanut butter compared to other nut butters. And then also, how can you highlight these benefits in your marketing? I look forward to seeing these answers in the comment section. And also, if you have any question, please leave them in the comment section and we'll be sure to answer you. Bye for now.